Alright, so hey guys, if you guys would like to see how I got this look, how I applied this wig, then please stay tuned for the next section of this video. Stay tuned till the end because I do have a couple of brands that I will be featuring, and I will see you guys in the upcoming section. Alright, so hey guys, this is a video showing you guys how I apply my loose curly Upart wig, which is this right here. This wig, if you believe it or not, is 3 years old. I do have a deep conditioning defining curl video on this exact texture. It just had a closure at the time. Since then I've taken off the closure and reverted it back to a Upart wig. So I just want to show you guys the curls. Very pretty. And like I said, I'll be showing you guys how I attach it. Okay, so this is my braid pattern. It's pretty simple. I have 4 braids going back, and then I have 2 main braids over here. This is my like universal braid pattern. It just allows me to wear multiple types of wigs, like my frontal straight wig, my kinky curly wig that you just saw me with. I have my kinky curly Upart wig. So this really allows me to switch it really easily without taking out the majority of my hair. So what I'm gonna do is just take out some leave out right here. Alright, so this section, well, this part of the video is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to be showing you guys what I'm actually doing. And here you see I sectioned out my leave out. Just to let you guys know, I leave about like 1 finger's width of leave out. I don't like to leave out a lot because it's just a bunch of hassle that is unnecessary if I leave out anything more. Here you see I'm doing my jumbo braids. This is going pretty fast. I'm showing you guys I have 2 combs in the top section, and I have 2 combs towards my ears. You guys will see that right there, and that is enough for it to be anchored down and is good. It's not going nowhere. Here I'm showing you guys that I'm going to be gluing 1 track. I like to do this because it helps my hair blend effortlessly, so I don't find myself having to flat iron my hair as much when I use the regular hair bonding glue to glue down this track. And I'm using a really small amount. My track doesn't stay in for more than like 3 or 4 days before coming out, and it's really simple to remove. You just use oil and water and shampoo like regular, and it is gone out of your hair. I do have a video on this, how I maintain my curl pattern of this curling texture. Okay, so I am going to flat iron. I'm using my heat protectant, my Keratin Tresemme heat protectant. I like to use the Keratin one because I find that it helps keep my hair straighter. And here I'm just flat ironing the back section to make sure that the back track is covered, and the 2 sides. You guys can see how effortless my hair is flat iron. This is the red titanium, no, this is a Baby Bliss pearl titanium mirror plates flat iron that I use to flat iron my hair. Alright, so after I've done flat ironing my leave out, you guys see how quick and easy it is to flatten my hair. That's blend it in by just combing it in. You notice that I didn't add any curl pattern to my natural hair. I just straightened it. You can already see how it blends in really well. So again, don't forget to use the heat protectant. I use the one with keratin in it because it'll help like keep my hair straighter towards the end. Now we are going to shift over to my edges. As you can see, it doesn't quite blend that well, so I am going to slick it down with my toothbrush and my got2b in the yellow. Now, this amazing product right here that I'm about to show you is the Professional Sebastian Red Liquefied Sap. So this is like a liquid wax. So think about the hard wax that you get in the jar container, but this one is actually liquid, so you can pour it out into your hand and you feel it get tacky. So this is really good for kind of blending my natural hair, keeping it weighed down so that it doesn't want to lift up and like on my leave out does not fly away in different directions, but it really helps it stay down and nice and smooth. I really like it. Here you can see I'm super excited because this is the lip section of the video. I'm just showing you guys swatches from this Canadian company. It is a Jamma Face Cosmetics. She sells, well, obviously it's a cosmetic line. I love her lipsticks, the matte and the shine, or the matte and the shine. This one's a matte that I'm wearing right now. I will leave the name of the colors that I'm wearing on my lips below, but I'm just showing you guys the different ones that I just purchased myself. I believe she has a discount code that if it's still in effect, I will leave it down below as well. Do you guys see that? I'm just showing you guys like how soft my lips do not feel cracky, nothing. It feels like there's absolutely nothing. The two colors blend extremely well together, and I'm wearing two mattes right now. And I believe I might add a shine onto it. I'm not too sure. But yeah, you can mix the colors and they blend so effortlessly. You can add multiple layers on top and it does not crack up. And here we go, the finished results. Are you guys ready? Isn't that amazing? Look how well my hair blends with the curl pattern. Effortless. And what I do at night is just that I put back on that same bandana and just tie up my hair. Last company I'm going to show you guys, this is from CC and Ellie. This is a Canadian clothing brand. I did buy, I'm showing you guys what came in the package, and I did buy this top. It was 50% off. She was having a huge sale, and as you guys notice, I like to buy things on sale. So it's a kimono type top, tie top, yeah, and I'll leave the information down below. Again, if you guys would like to see where I got this hair from, stay tuned. Well, not stay tuned, you guys already saw the video, so yeah. I will see you guys in the next video. Comment, subscribe, and all that, and I will see you guys in the next video.